Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 605. In this video I'll show you how to wipe cache. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone and now enter apps. Go to all apps and select app from which you would like to remove cache. For example, let's select Booking. Now go to Storage and Cache and select Clear Storage. Then select Clear Cache. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.